Rumors on Wall Street are saying that GameStop may be getting ready to do a special dividend and send GameStop and AMC, among other retail stocks, straight to the moon. So let's talk about this. Here's an article from Investor Place that breaks down all the rumors and what you guys need to know. But more importantly, because you really can't trust financial media, I am going to be giving you guys my insight, what I do think will happen, and what I think would happen if this is approved. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor or a financial planner or your dad, so don't listen to anything I say and always come to your own conclusions in the stock market. Investing is always risky, but this information is provided to us from Curtis Marquez. This is a subscriber that shows mad love on the channel, so big shout out to you. But he brought this to my attention because I was totally oblivious, and you have to search for this specific article. So if you guys want to read this as well, or double check something or fact check something, link is in the description, so feel free to do that. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Tyler. Consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel and stick around a while. Now let's get straight into the article, guys. GameStop stock. What are the GameStop crypto dividend rumors? And this really has me floored because I never thought about this, but this would theoretically be a great way to boost up GameStop and AMC share price, but we'll go more in depth about that in just a minute. Says Twitter is swelling with rumors of a master plan coming from Ryan Cohen-led GameStop board. Holders and retail trading conspiracy theorists are pricing together a thought-provoked puzzle. Could GameStop stock be primed for a company-triggered short squeeze? Some think a master plan is afoot. There are a few nuggets one must consider for context around this proposed short squeeze plan. First, one must know that GameStop sought out a blockchain analyst back in April, particularly somebody familiar with cryptos and NFTs. Secondly, it's helpful to know about Overstock's self-executed short squeeze in which the company paid out its dividends to holders in an obscure OSTK cryptocurrency. Short sellers were forced to cover their shorts or risk having the dividends dumped into their laps. They couldn't afford to pay them anyways, since Overstock only issued enough coins to reach the investors. As a result, the stock skyrocketed 60% in 2 weeks. Like I said, this would be theoretically a great idea for GameStop to do. It would set off AMC, in my opinion, as well. Thirdly, one must be aware of GameStop NFT website that has popped up in recent weeks, complete with its own wallet address. The website and the wallet address within suggest the company is developing an NFT platform utilizing Ethereum's protocol and token standard. The company is now involved in cryptocurrency in some capacity, which is also a great thing for retail trading in general, but especially GameStop. Now, GameStop stock. Twitter explodes with rumors of GameStop's crypto dividends. Reddit users have been gossiping over the idea of a GameStop crypto dividend for months now. One user's deep dive suggests GameStop can do the same thing that Overstock did while escaping the legal challenges the company faced from leaving short sellers without any crypto to buy to pay the dividend. A Twitter user is fanning the flames today with more evidence for the theory. The user points out a GME token of some kind with a launch date of 16/26/1600. This Unix timestamp translated to an exact date of July 14, 2021. Of course, the rumor mill is now churning at full capacity, with thousands of users tweeting in response to the rumors or adding their own speculation. Without any confirmation that this is happening, be extremely cautious. However, this is certainly a story to keep watching. And what do we know about rumors in the stock market? Most rumors turn out to be true in one capacity or the other. Now, Ryan Cohen is a brilliant guy. He created pets.com. That was a very successful retail pet company brand, right? Online e-commerce. So I do think they have something cooking up their sleeves, and GameStop has been really quiet recently. They were coming out with a lot of things left and right, back and forth, to grow the business, and we have kind of seen a fallback from that stance, and I do think it's because they have something in the woodworks. Now, I don't know if it's gonna be a dividend. I think it will be interesting because the 14th would put us at Wednesday. So this could be this week, but if this does happen, this would definitely send retail shorts, people that have been shorting retail stocks, specifically AMC and GameStop, definitely heading for the hills, trying to cover their short positions. That is really where you will see FOMO buyers coming in, day traders coming in, other hedge funds and institutions coming in as well. Now, we're going to have to watch to see the price action going into this next upcoming week, because usually, believe it or not, I'm sure you guys would believe this, a lot of people that have a lot of money, hedge funds, institutions, they will know about this before we actually know about this. So odds are you're going to see some buying going into these stocks. You're going to see the share price going up. That is why it will be very important come Wednesday. Obviously, if this dividend does get announced or not, that'll be the most important part, but to also see if the Ortex data is reflecting that shorts are covering in AMC and GameStop. Now, AMC short interest is indicating 18.74%. Well, I'll pull up GameStop's. Theirs is indicating, let's see, just one moment. Theirs is indicating 9.43%. So I think this would have a bigger impact when it does come to AMC. Like I said, a lot of short sellers will be getting scared out of their positions and ultimately cover those positions. But anything can happen in the stock market. Not all rumors turn out to be true, but most rumors turn out to be true in one capacity or the other. But yes, in short, I think this could be the catalyst that would start the AMC short squeeze among all other retail stocks. But we do know AMC has a very high short interest, categorized as extreme short interest, approaching that 20% mark, as well as a lot of synthetic short positions and FTDs that do need to be bought back. But the most important thing of all to really drive home for you guys is we do, yes, see a lot of run-ups with these special dividend stocks once they are announced, and even when the rumors are flying, that is a buy the rumors, sell the news kind of event. So let's say this guy is correct and this actually does get announced on Wednesday, July 14th, and let's say they set it for 2 weeks out. You are likely to see a rally up until that day before or 2 days before, whenever the recording date is. Whenever the day is, you have to own shares to get the dividend, because you don't have to own the shares on the day the dividend is paid out. You have to own them on the recording date. Other than that, it's not important. You will still get paid if you sell after the recording date, but you are going to see a dump off after that. So this is somewhat of a double sword effect, like I've been talking about with the stock market crashing and AMC going up. It's much the same way, because you're kind of capped and you would see a sell-off after the actual dividend is paid out or after the recording date. But we could get this massive short squeeze at the same time. So it's really 50-50 if this would long-term help the squeeze either go up more or happen sooner. It's really all on the table. This rumor is not confirmed by any means necessary. It does just make sense overall that GameStop would do something like this and send themselves into a short squeeze, as well as AMC at the same time. But that is it for this video. If you guys like my analysis and insight into the situation, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, as well as if you guys want to help out a personal friend that is in dire need of getting some kind of financial help before his Social Security would be able to kick in. He did have a diving accident in Michigan over the 4th of July weekend. He is paralyzed from the neck down. I believe he broke his third, fourth, and fifth vertebrae in his neck. He only has about a 5% chance of regaining any movement in his body. He is awake, trying to stay positive, but there's not too much you could do there. He has 4 kids and a wife at home, and obviously he made most of the money. He actually put in docs for, you know, rich people, rich houses. So if you guys want to help out in that way, the GoFundMe is linked in the comment section. It would be great if you guys can. If you can't, no pressure. Obviously, that goes without saying. And also, if you guys want to get totally free stock, check out the link for public in the description as well. No deposit necessary. No need to even link a bank account. You get up to $70 in your choice free stock in about 3 minutes time. That is literally free money, as well as deposit $100 with Webull. Get 4 free stocks, each of them potentially worth up to $2,400. Great brokerages, great companies, links in the description, as well as if you guys want to start winning on your options trades, as well as swing trades, day trades, long-term investments, whether it's crypto, options, or stock for the long term, for a day trade or a swing trade, check the link out for the buy and sell alerts. You'll be notified in real time every single time a trade is bought or sold, and stay up to date with the moves that are being made in AMC and among other stocks. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.